Hello everyone, welcome back to CircuitDigest. So in this tutorial we are going to interface this Pi camera with Raspberry Pi 0W. So before interfacing these two modules, first we have to understand like which cable we have to use to interface these two modules. So we have two cables. So we have actually these two cables. So this one is the first cable and this one is the second cable. So you can see there is some basic difference between these two cables. So here both ends have the same widths in this cable, but in this cable has one end has some large width and one end has some less width. So for the Raspberry Pi 3B, for the Raspberry Pi 4B place, we use this white cable, but for the Raspberry Pi 0W or all Pi 0 family, we use this cable. So we are going to use this cable to interface these two modules. Like how to connect this cable to this module. So see this. So this is our camera module. So you can see this is our camera module. So we have to connect this black strip here. So first open this black strip, then put this cable inside and then lock this strip. So now this cable has been connected to this Pi camera module. So now we are going to connect this cable to this Raspberry Pi 0W. So here also we have to connect this black ends at the top side as compared to this board. So here also we have to open this strip and we connect this cable into this jack. So we will connect this, and after connection we will close this black strip. So now this both connection has been completed. So now we are going to capture image using our laptop. So first we have to give power to this Raspberry Pi 0 and we have to connect this Pi 0W with our laptop. So now our Raspberry Pi 0 has been connected to our PC. So after opening the window or after opening the mobile extreme or VNC viewer, any software that we are going to use, so first we have to enable the camera option. So go to configure setting and turn on the camera module enable. So now you can see we are going to capture image using this cam. So we have to give command res-p-still -o, then file name that you want to give your image file. So now we are going to capture image. Then you can see the while capturing images or during capturing image, the red LED will be glowing here. So just see, I am going to type command. So I am going to type command RASPISTILL, that's p still, then -o, then file name is cam.jpg. okay, then you can see this one red LED blown here. It means it's capturing image. So now you can see the LED has been closed. So now the image has been captured. So you can see these images here. So this is how we can interface this Pi camera to this Raspberry Pi 0 module, and we also see how to capture image using this module. So this is all about this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to make one surveillance camera using this Pi camera and this Raspberry Pi 0W, and that surveillance camera will be wireless and you can see all the video streaming on your laptop. So we will do this in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you.